Hey guys, what's happening? How to hide apps from app library on iPhone. So let's select an app from app library. So let's have an example, Facebook. So I want to hide Facebook. Before I do that, just go ahead to your settings, main settings, right? And then go ahead to the general, software update. Make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version in order to get access to all the new features. And then let me go back my screen and select an app from app library. So I'm gonna select Facebook. I'm gonna select require face ID, and instead of require face ID, which will keep Facebook in the app library, I'm gonna go ahead and hide and require face ID, and then double click to confirm. Now the app is gone. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.